Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel Allthingswithus, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this 7-seater sofa. As you can see, the client wanted us to change the fabric only, and that is what we are going to be doing in this video today. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video, and let's start the video. So welcome to our channel Allthingswithus, and if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel Allthingswithus. You can visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we normally do transformation videos, makeover videos, DIYs, and many more. So if you're interested in such content, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. I will really appreciate that. Watch more of our contents, because we have a variety of them in our channel. I'm sure you will learn one or two, and I'm sure you will enjoy these transformation, makeovers, and DIYs videos. So the first thing that we did during this process was stripping off all the fabric, all the old fabric from the sofas, and then start doing the reupholstering, as you can see. So this is us doing our thing. Watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps, processes, materials, tools that we have used during this transformation. And if you have any question that you want to ask me, contact me, or just comment down below and I'll get back to you. And if you're interested in such services, also you can comment there so that I can give you details on how you can reach out to me if you are interested in our services. Anyway, we normally do this transformation at the client's place. You can see this is the client's compound. We had enough room to work with, and yeah, we normally do it at the client's place. Some sofas takes only 1 day, others take 1 day and a half, and others takes 2 days, depending on the design and the complex design, according to the complexity of the design that you want. Anyway, watch the video till the end so that you can enjoy it. Don't forget to like the video, comment, share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next videos.